What's going on YouTube? This is BMX, and as you can tell from the description, this is my bike check. Here we go. Alright, we're going to start from the front of the bike to the back. First, you get the ODI grips in black. Then coming to the bars, we got the S&M FU Charlie Chromish bars. I love these bars. I have a Sunday headset. It's not bad, not bad. But as far as my stem goes, I'm not very sure. I've had it for so long. I want to say it's an S&M, but I could be wrong on that one. Then coming down to the forks, we have the Kink Foundation forks. Haven't had anything wrong with these yet. Then I have a Cinema front complete wheel in the front. It's okay for the price. I have 3 Shadow Conspiracy little one pegs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. I have a G Sport little hub guard. And then as far as the tires in the front and the back, I have the Shadow Conspiracy Nova tires, I believe is what they're called, from Simone Baraka. As far as my frame goes, I have a Sabrosa Norster frame, also Simone Baraka. Love Simone. As far as my pedals go, I have the Odyssey JCPCs. Best pedals ever. Everyone should get these. As far as the cranks go, I have the Redline device. These are amazing. Also recommend. I have just a crappy little Eastern sprocket. Gets the job done, can't complain. Got the Shadow V2 interlock chain. And as far as the back goes, I have a Demolition free coaster laced to an Odyssey hazard light rim. Love the wheel. And coming up here, I have the Fly tripod seat post and the Market Demolition tripod seat in denim. That's my bike check. Hope y'all enjoy, and always remember, send it. Peace.